little quiet box. I'm probably about 12 feet away. I'm not shouting anymore. It's substantially quieter than ever before. This thing is loud. It's probably like 85 decibels. But I'm talking at a nice low voice. I'm in New York City. So let me just show you the exhaust. This is not quiet. I guess 1,000 watts is making it work. We gotta shut this shit off. How do I get over there? Oh, much better. That's it. So this box is pretty good. It's actually very good. I'm very pleased. This is 3 inches, by the way. I can only get 1.5 inches of this rock wool. You can see like I'm missing on the bottom part. I need to get another strip. This was 2 bundles. It's actually like $100 for 120 for 2 of them. It's kind of expensive. In fact, this whole thing probably cost me almost $600. Something that should normally cost $3. Even the little cheap ass wheels were $40. Well worth it. So when you put it down, you just have it on the ground. And there it is. I use fender washers with sheet metal screws. Yeah, that's good enough. You know. Yeah, it's cool actually. There's no breather holes in there. I'm going to make them. I'm going to cut a hole in there and then box it so it goes down. And that's it. So, whoops. That's my box. I'm going to show you how it is running by itself outside. It's way too loud. Way too loud. Venting upwards. Of course, I'm using dirty gas. It's loud over there. Here's my little front with wheels that I have on it. But there it is. That little shed. A nice little top. And there's the fan. You can see it. That's 1,000 CFM. Boy, she's backfiring really bad. Now let's hear it without this on. This has no insulation. Alright, so I have an intake right there. That's too small. So she's starving for air, but I got some vents. There you have it. Beautiful New York City day. I got my little Minecraft cube. I could paint it that. I should. 4x4 cube. fireproof.